Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness, and I'm glad to here with you guys. Back at it again, with another video. The name of the game that we're all participating in is called cash flow. Alright? I went live yesterday with y'all. We spoke a lot about, the YouTube channel. We spoke a lot about the importance of investing. I actually had somebody say they ended up downloading the Stash app, which is the brokerage account that I use to make investments, and that made me extremely happy. Now, this video, I'm gonna get more into detail as to why the name of the game is cash flow. There's a reason why I wasn't taught to us in school, and probably your parents never knew about it, But this is how the rich get richer, the wealthy people get wealthier, and this is how the people that are behind, they stay behind because they don't have no type of cash flow, all right? And so many people have negative thoughts about money. Now, if you are new to the YouTube channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel so that you can help it grow. It's free. And as you watch the video through, if you gain something from it, like the video, all right? My name is Terrence Carter. I talk about retaining your energy. I talk about the stock market, real estate in the stock market. I talk about real life things, about these jobs and these low ass wages. So if you want to help me, just subscribe, all right? And my birthday is tomorrow. So anyway, I'm in the gym, as y'all can see. Got me a quick workout in before I gotta head to work. But yeah, the name of the game is cash flow. Now, what is cash flow? For those that may not know, because I'm still learning this on my own, right? I'm still learning this every day. Cash flow is money that you make per month from your investments. So, for instance, the easiest thing that a cash flow for you is real estate, right? Real estate. You can physically see real estate. You can go to any building, it is owned by a real estate company. Real estate have made probably the most millionaires in the world, right? Every business on the planet is owned by some type of real estate. And it's the cash flow that you get every month from holding on to the property, holding on to that piece of real estate. Now, me personally, I own stocks in the stock market, real estate companies in the stock market. And slowly but surely, I get paid something called a dividend. A dividend is cash flow. Hey, you held my stock, you own X amount of shares in this company, I'm gonna pay you this dividend. Now, it could be 50 cents a share, it could be 30 cents a share, it could be $1.25 per share. But as long as you're constantly adding to the investment portfolio in the real estate, as long as you're owning more shares, you get paid out more dividends. Okay? Now you have to be very strategic with this because so many people have been brought up with a negative mentality when it comes down to money, when it comes down to the way that you view money. When I say that I study companies, right? I'm constantly looking on Yahoo Finance. I'm looking at Google. I'm looking at Amazon. I'm looking at Nvidia. I'm looking at the real estate, like Realty Income, Stag Industrial, Vici Properties. Vici Properties is in New York City. I never even knew that until I started studying it. They own the Chelsea Pier Strip. They own in Vegas. They own the whole entire strip, or majority of the strip, right? They own golf courses. Like, there's so much things that they own because of what? Real estate. We tend to get. Alright, I'm about to hit y'all with some. Boop, boop, boop. We tend to get on this internet and we look at people's lifestyle, right? Okay, they making X amount of dollars per month. Look at this person. They driving this Lamborghini. They driving this Ferrari. Look at this person. They got this. They got that. Blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. That's all for an image for the internet, right? That is on the internet. You can be whoever you want. You can be whoever you want. So many people put up a facade. like their life is super duper perfect, bruh. Y'all see it all the time. Athletes, they get paid millions of dollars, bro, millions of dollars, and then they go broke. Why? Because they're living this lavish lifestyle because they think that the money is gonna last forever. Bro, life does not work like that, bro. Life don't work like that. Just because you're making a certain amount of money doesn't mean it's gonna last forever. Let's be honest, bro. When they tell y'all, live below your means, bro, strategically learn how to live off of less than what you're making. So if you're making $4,000 a month, live off of less than that and invest the rest into something that is going to grow. Don't spend the whole $4,000. Now you start at zero again. It's not a zero-sum game, bruh. So many people think that money is just, I just gotta spend it, and that's it. No, bro. You gotta learn how to grow it. You gotta learn how to multiply it. I'm learning this every day. I'm not a freaking know-it-all, bruh. Yes, the W-2, yep. First thing that happens, they take out taxes out your money, unless you file exempt. Okay, but you still gonna, when you do your tax, whatever, tax stuff, they may say, oh, you owe X amount of dollars. Whatever. Like, that's the first thing that you gotta that comes out of your money. Even being self-employed, 15 or whatever, how many percent, 20%, whatever. Boom. No, nobody like enjoys to pay that because you feel me. I feel like that's a scam, but it's not about how I feel. We know the system is rigged, right? But at the end of the day, now you gotta live off for less than what you make. Yes, you gotta take care of responsibilities. You gotta take care of the crib, your home, right? You gotta take care of your bills. You gotta feed yourself. You gotta do all these things, right? Okay, let me make sure I pay myself first and then work with what I got after. Not pay all this stuff first and then have this little bit left and then invest it. No, bro, invest something first. Real talk. Because once again, the name of the game is cash flow. You have to learn how to make money in your sleep, right? I spoke about this on a live stream yesterday. If you think that you're about to work 40, 50, 60, 70, or probably not 70 years, that's a drag. But if you feel like you're about to work 40 to 50 years of your life and you got nothing working for you, you're playing the game wrong, bro. You're playing the game wrong. I started investing at the age of 28. Tomorrow I'll be 31. Next year, April, that'll make 4 years of me investing consistently. And I always feel like I could get better. I could do more. I need to focus on adding more value to the people. I need to focus on the YouTube channel, get these videos monetized, put these videos out there. I have to have different sources of income, bro. Because we be so dependent on one source of income. Now you lose that source of income. Now you out here stressed out. Now you out here worrying. Oh my God, I lost my this, I lost this, blah, blah, blah. Nah, bro, you gotta have multiple sources, bro. Rich people, wealthy people, they have multiple sources of income. They have money working for them. They making millions of dollars in their sleep, bro. I think I heard yesterday, Jeff Bezos makes $60 million a day. You think do you think that he's physically working for that? No. He owns a business. He owns assets, bro. He's not physically working for that money. You think Grant Cardone he's making however much he's making per month? You think he's working for that? No, bro. He owns things, bro, that bring him money. So you gotta have ownership, point blank, period, bro. I don't care who you are. You could be a man, you could be a woman. You need to own. I'm gonna keep telling you this. I don't care if I gotta tell you this every day. I don't care. If it's annoying, I don't care, bro. I don't care. Just like your favorite rapper, your favorite song, your favorite TV show, you watch it over and over and over, your favorite movie. Bro, you need to hear this. Put the money to work. It's sitting in the bank, it's losing its value because of inflation. If it's just sitting there. If you got a piece of paper and it's just sitting there, it's not growing. You're gonna end up spending it. Gotta put the money to work. Delay gratification. It's like taking jump shots. You gotta get better. Catch and shoot. You know what I'm saying? Over and over and over. Make it a habit. The name of the game, is how to generate cash flow. It's not about how much money you make. Bro, you can make $1 million a year and still spend the whole $1 million. Now you back at zero. How much can I keep? How much can I invest? How much can I keep? You're already getting tax heavy. Bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, it's so cringe. You're already getting tax heavy. How much can I keep? How much can I invest so that I can create cash flow? How much real estate can I own so that these properties, these buildings, well, I don't physically own no buildings, but I'm talking about the stock market. These businesses are bringing dividends, cash flow. They don't want, bro. It's not taught to you for a reason, bro, because they want a world full of workers. People that work for money, so that you keep the system going, bro. That's all that it is. Work for this little bit of money. Take this $20, take this $15 an hour. Be grateful, be grateful, be grateful for the fucking bare minimum, bro. When they print the money faster than you can make it. They print the money faster. It takes you a whole. You're an hourly wage person like myself. It takes 2 weeks to get some money. That is insane. You're getting 2 checks per month. It's 12 months in a year. Some months you may get paid 3 times. Okay, that's probably 2 months out of the 12 months. You're getting 26 checks, 27, correct me if I'm wrong, y'all, I could be wrong. 27 checks per year? Automatically, if you're paying $1,700, $1,800 in rent, that's automatically $20,000, $25,000, $26,000 a year just to have a roof over your head. Let that sink in. We're not talking about food, we're not talking about medicine bill, we're not talking about phone bill, we're not talking about going out, we're not talking about none of that. We're talking about just to maintain a roof over your head. Jobs know what they know what they're doing, bro. They know how to keep the people coming back. They know that you need this money to take care of your necessities. You gotta find a way to make money while you are sleeping, bro. And I get it, money is a very touchy subject because you have been programmed to think negative about something that you work for every day. You cannot think negative about something that you need. You can't eat without it. You can't survive without it, bruh. You cannot. You cannot. And once again, I'm not one of these financial gurus. I'm not one of these people that got it all together and I know it all. No, bro. I'm a regular individual, I'm a regular person. I'm a spiritual being having a 3D human experience. I'm just trying to give y'all these messages so that hopefully y'all learn and y'all take them with y'all throughout your life. You know what I'm saying? You gotta generate cash flow. You gotta own real estate. And you need to have a better relationship with yourself and a better relationship with money. Point blank period. Alright? So, once again, my birthday is tomorrow. I probably will leave, I don't ask for nothing, but I might just leave my cash app or whatever. But that's if anybody even wants to donate. I don't ask for that. If y'all want to, y'all can. Happy birthday. Thank you. But I'm not like, oh my God, please donate to me. Nah, I'm not doing that. Hope you guys enjoy your day today. Happy Sunday. All I ask is that you leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's it. That's literally all I ask. It's free. Alright? I'm going to keep doing the live stream with y'all too. Appreciate you if you stayed throughout this whole entire video. Keep on retaining your energy. Take back your power. And learning never stops. Learning never stops. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness.